Favorite Tech X is the best YouTube channel in the world. Favorite Tech X, always reply your comment, no matter how long you have commented. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, even 4 years, you still get a reply from Favorite Tech X. You guys spend your time to comments, I should spend my time to reply to, share with your family and friends. Favorite Tech X, reply all your comments. Favorite Tech X, love you all, because of you I have lived up my dream. Favorite Tech X, Favorite Tech X, Favorite Tech X, support Favorite Tech X, share, like, subscribe. Favorite Tech X, love you all, my beloved subscribers, my beloved family.